back to the channel of TS Gupta. How are you guys doing? So here I have prepped my skin by moisturizing, toning and face priming. Now I'm gonna apply the 925 CC cream in beige shade. It's a simple makeup tutorial, good to go for daily basis. You can do it. So there I'm gonna show you very simple methods. Very simple methods. For that you just need to carry a few things. If you want, you can apply a foundation, but I think it's for better coverage, matlab party wear coverage, which is not usable in your daily basis. So with a beauty blender, you can literally, oh, don't mind my mirror. It's actually taken away from something weird. So, I mean, you all can have these kind of things. It's broken, not the mirror, but the back portion. So with a beauty blender, I'm blending it all. Now I'm applying this tint over my cheekbones and also the nose area. Because it's winter time, it gives you a fleshy look, more fleshier, reddish look. And with the help of the beauty blender, of course, I'm gonna blend this too as well. If you have brushes, basically equipment such as makeup equipment such as a beauty blender, a fluffier brush for eyeshadow is all you need. And to contour, one brush is enough. You need to blend it very nicely so that nothing stays on your skin and you get a softened look, you get a natural punch to your makeup. And yeah, that's the brush I was talking about. And for contouring, you can do this if, say, you are at corporate or you are working anywhere or college and you cannot carry a lot of things to for your touch up. You can use these things the way I'm doing. Please see, if you have a small mirror, this is a bigger one, but if you have a small mirror, you can contour it very quickly. I'll show you a method, a new method. You can use it too. Can you see? Now with the help of the beauty blender, we are going to blend these two lines. Please follow the tips and tricks. So, like I told you, with the help of the beauty blender, we are going to blend it. We are going to create a nice contoured nose. Can you see? Now I'm going to create a shadowy effect also on the sides of my nose. See, you have to make a triangle just like that, because to create a shadowy effect when somebody looks at you from the side face, so that it's not weird enough and quite natural. See, it seems very sharpened or quite precise now. And here we are using this arch with the help of this contouring. That's it. Similarly to the other side. Here you are actually faking your cut crease. Okay, this is how you do it. Please make it soften by blending it more and more. Now you gotta soften it with a fluffier brush like I told you. So all you had to carry is two lipstick shades, two brushes, one liner, and one CC cream or BB cream according to whatever you like. And if you have a talcum face powder, you can do that too. So I'm going to use it here. We don't have to carry a lot of things in our bag if we are traveling for a small journey. This is important because in case we are sweating, so that it is not going to affect the look, like many are having oily skin. Now, can you see that there is a glow in my face even though I'm looking very tired? So, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna apply a bit of liner as well. Oh gosh, it happens, it happens. Can you see? There is a fake cut crease and it looks nice, natural, right? Now I'll do the liner and I'll get back. See. And here I'm applying a lipstick in liquid matte formation, and the shade is really nice because it suits my skin tone. Yeah, usually the facial skin tone and neck skin tones doesn't match. Here mine is not matching as well. So if you have liked this cute quick video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll be really grateful to you guys. Please do so. I'll see you next time. Like it, share it, subscribe it, comment down anything you want to. Bye. Thanks. Take care, everybody. Thank you.